Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to instruct you or I'm going to teach you how to compute the discounted payback period when the future cash inflows are in the annuity form. It means that you are getting or the project is generating uniform amount at the uniform time interval, right? As you can see in this project the initial investment is $600. Let's say it is million. Let's say this figure is in million, so $600 million. And what you are getting at the end of the first year, 200. And what you are getting the at the end of the second year, 200. And at the end of the third year, 200. And at the end of the fourth year, 200. And at the end of the fifth year, 200. Okay, that's what the cash flow is. Okay, that's what the cash flow is. And it is annuity, okay, because you are getting these figures, okay, at equal interval. First, at the end of the first year you are getting 200 million, and then at the end of the second year you are getting 200 million. So what is the time difference? It is one year. The time interval is 1 year. You got $200 million at the end of the first year, and then you got $200 million at the end of the second year. So what is the time difference? 1 year. So after the end of the 1 year, or after the uh, after the uh, time interval of 1 year, you are getting uniform amount, and that's what you are getting each year. Okay, and the project is lasting till the end of the fifth year. So it is the case of the annuity. I hope you better know what is annuity is. And now I'm going to instruct you, or I'm going to teach you how to compute the discounted payback period, okay, when there is the case of annuity. Okay, when the question is asking to compute the discounted payback period, okay, and when the question is asking to compute the discounted payback period of the sum which has given the uh, project project's future cash inflow in the annuity mode. Okay, so let me read the other information which is provided regarding this question. It is the discount rate here is 8%. So 8% is the discount rate. Okay, 8% is the discount rate. You have to compute the payback period. Okay, sorry. You have to compute the payback period. Okay, and you have to compute the discounted payback period. My writing is a little bit poor, so I will keep pronouncing what it is. Actually, it is written discounted payback period, and it is written payback period. So payback period is very easy to compute. What it shows, payback period shows the time period under which the capital invested in that project will be returned by that project. Okay, payback period computes the time the project takes to return the capital invested in it. Okay, it shows the return of capital. It does not show the return on capital, rather it shows the return of capital. Okay, okay, so payback period is very easy to compute. As you can see, $600 million is going, 200 million is coming at the end of the first year. So 200, 200, 200, 3 years is the payback period. So it is very easy to compute. What is payback period? 3 years. So my intention is not to compute payback period in this video, but uh, I'm computing for the sake of your knowledge. Okay, now let me compute the discounted payback period using the financial calculator. Let me bring my financial calculator. Yeah, here it is. So second, clear TVM, clear work. That's what you have to do whenever you are doing any new sum. Okay, because it will clear the data which is feeded in the financial calculator in the past. Okay, okay, so what is the present value? $600 million. So it will be negative. So one thing I want to make you clear, that I will use the TVM mode if the future cash inflows are in annuity. Future cash inflows of the project are in annuity mode. Okay, then the TVM mode of the financial calculator will be used to calculate the discounted payback period. Okay, so 600 million is the initial investment. It means at zero time this is going, so it is the present value now. So press 600 million as PV. Okay, what will and what is PMT? It is 200. It will be in positive sign because it is the cash inflow. Okay, PMT, 0 will be FV. Okay, I by y will be 8%. Okay, because what is the interest rate or what is the discount rate? What is the discount rate? 8%. Now we have feeded the four information of this buttons or of this question. Let's say you have feeded what is the discount rate, you have feeded what is the present value, you have feeded what is the PMT, which is the annuity, which is 200, and what is the FB, it is 0. Okay, so what you have to compute, just you have to compute the n. So when you will be pressing compute and then n, this is the discounted payback period. It is very simple to compute. Okay, it is very simple to compute. Okay, and lot of people feels problem, or a lot of people feels very hard to calculate the discounted payback period. Okay, so I made this video to assist them or to help them and to make them know or to make them aware that how to calculate the discounted payback period using the financial calculator. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, I have communicated everything which was required here. Okay, thank you so much. So what is the discounted payback period? Sorry, what is the discounted payback period? It is nothing but 3.56. Sorry, 3.56. Okay, as I'm always telling you, my writing is a little bit poor. 3.56. Okay, it is in years. Okay, so one thing you have to know always, that the payback period is always smaller than the discounted payback period. Okay, remember this thing every time, that the payback period will be always lesser than the discounted payback period, right? Okay, thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel, because in the future I will be giving you such tricks to calculate the discounted payback period of uneven cash flows also, which has the uneven cash flows in the future. Okay, which has the future uneven cash flows. I will make video on such question, on such sums also. So please subscribe my channel, because I will keep giving you such tricks, such important information, such important skills, such important knowledge, that you will be able to do the best, or you will be able to give your best in the examination. You will be solving question in the examination with more efficiency and with more effectiveness after watching my videos. Okay, thank you so much.